Hello everybody, this is a hint on how to solve this first question on this class kick. Let's start by just thinking about our instructions. So let's analyze the equation. 0.86 is equal to sine of x. Okay, it says to draw the horizontal line y is equal to 0.86 on the graph, and it's been done for you. Okay, that's this horizontal line right here on the graph. Okay, it also says draw the horizontal line y is equal to 0.86 on the unit circle. It's been done for you. Okay, then we've drawn this one right where y is equal to about 0.86, intersects twice. Now, C says circle the solutions between 0 and 360 degrees in the graph and the unit circle, and write them to the right in degrees and exact radians. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to first circle the solutions that I see from the graph and this pink line. So I see this one right here, and I see this one right here. And it says between 0 and 360, so I see one over here too, but it's past 360, so I'll ignore it for right now. And I'll do the same thing in my unit circle. Okay, over here as well. Boom, and boom. Okay, now I need to figure out what are these solutions. From the graph, I see that, okay, if I just were to estimate, it should be somewhere between 45 and 90, and then somewhere between 90 and 135 degrees. What I want us to do when we're doing this is I want you to make a triangle in your unit circle. So I want you to go like this all the way up to the intersection point, and I'll just color that orange. And then I want you, and I want to make that a little bit thinner here, and then I want you to do the same thing. I want you to make this triangle right here, and make the last one right, last side right here. Okay, so what I want you to think about is, okay, this is y is equal to 0.86, so this height right here is 0.86. I'm going to just put a quick, oh dear, I'm going to put a quick text box that says that 0.86, and I'll make that smaller right up here. Okay, now here's my question. My question is that 0.86 a y value or an x value? And my answer to that, this is a y value. This is a vertical value here. So I'm going to go up to my 3 special reference triangles, and I'm going to think to myself, which one has a y value of 0.86? Well, it's not this one. The y value for this one is 0.5. It's not this one, 0.7. OMG, it is this one right here, 0.86. That is this triangle, and that is my blue triangle, which is 60 degrees. All right, so I know that this right here is 60 degrees. Now, I know that that's one of my solutions. So I'm going to write that right here. I'll draw it for right now, but you'll type it in there, okay? 60 degrees. Okay, now I need to find out what this one is too. Now I could also draw a triangle right here, and I could think about, okay, well, I know that this is 60 degrees. If I were to reflect this triangle over, I think that this right here would be 60 as well. So a few of you have said something like, well, I'm going to do 180 minus 60, and I'm going to get 120. That will be my other angle of rotation that is my solution. So I'll put 120 right here, and I want to check on my graph to see if these two answers make sense. Is 60 in between 45 and 90? It definitely is. Is 120 in between 90 and 135? It definitely is. Excellent. We have our two solutions. Now, for our radians, if you remember that 60 goes into 180 3 times, this is pi over 3. And if you remember, 120 is just pi over 3, but instead of one of them, it is 2 of them. I think that's all I wanted to say in this hint video. Go for it on your own, and let me know when you have questions here, guys, okay? Thank you.